Did you know that every year, the manufacturing industry suffers over $650 billion in losses due to unplanned machine downtime? This is by far the largest source of hidden costs in a manufacturing operation, and has prompted factories around the world to urgently connect their machines. However, this endeavor was very expensive and limited only to the latest generation of equipment or to the largest manufacturing companies. That is until now. Andonix has the perfect solution, no matter your industry or the size of your company. With Andonix, it is easier than ever to connect your machines with sensors in a straightforward, fast, and budget-friendly way. With our sensors, you will identify, contain, and reduce unplanned downtime in a matter of seconds, significantly reducing one of the most expensive manufacturing costs in the operation. Now you can promptly detect problems, automatically trigger digital alerts which instantly escalate to the right levels of the organization, measure downtime automatically, perform accurate calculation of machine availability to facilitate the measurement of OEE, identify the root cause of unplanned downtime, and improve the traceability of corrective actions. By connecting your machines to our sensors, you will slash manufacturing costs by automating the measurement of your equipment's availability so you can calculate OEE efficiently and accurately. As soon as machine downtime is detected, our sensors will trigger digital alerts, escalating problems to the correct people within the organization instantly. This way, you will boost the visibility and control of your operation and obtain real-time information while solving problems 2 times faster. Don't think about it anymore and take your factory to the next level. With Andonix, you can get the most out of your machines and improve your production indicators in just days. Adopt this cutting-edge technology from Andonix today and start producing more, a lot more.